Next one is address bus. Every memory location has an address, we know that. And the address bus, as the name implies, is used to transfer the memory address generated by the CPU to store temporarily read or write data. So we will use the, or CPU will use this addresses for reading and writing the data. So there's a common address bus used for communication of the CPU with memory and the IO devices. And address bus is unidirectional. And it is also known as the memory bus. In some processors, data bus and addresses bus may be combined into a single bus, and it can be operated using the multiplexing technique. The address bus is characterized by its width, which may be 2-bit, 8-bit, 16, 32-bit, etc. It will be in the number, the 2 to the power form. Control bus. It coordinates the transfer of data, instructions, and addresses among various components. It is a bidirectional bus. So we can see that control bus is bidirectional bus. Data bus is also bidirectional bus. But address bus is unidirectional. It coordinates by transferring appropriate control signals generated from the control unit of the CPU to all other parts of the bus for controlling, monitoring, and coordinating the operations of computers. And what are the control signals? These may be output signal, input signal, and other signals. This is the control bus. Next one is instruction set. Set of instruction is called the instruction set in simple language. The instruction is defined as a machine language command to perform a specific task. It should be understandable by the computer system. Hence, it is a string of binary digits. Zero and one. The processing of an instruction by the CPU consists of the following steps. What we can understand that if we have to perform a task, or CPU have to perform a task, it needs a instruction. Then according to that instruction, CPU will work. Okay. Now, how the CPU process the instruction? CPU process the instruction in following steps: fetching, decoding, execution, and store. The completion of all the steps for an instruction is called an instruction cycle. Okay, so all these steps will be made one cycle, one instruction cycle. Now the set of instructions used to perform a specific operation is called the instruction set. As I told you, each instruction has two parts: opcode and operand. What is opcode? It specifies the operation to be performed by instruction issued to the computer system, such as add to perform addition, move to moving data. Okay, so In among two, first one is opcode. It gives the instruction what to do, what to perform, what to action has to taken. Now second one is operand. It specifies memory location where the input and output data are kept.